Tomato sauce into tomato juice, 2 easy methods. Hello and welcome back to our channel, where we will explore ways to make tasty drinks and food using simple ingredients. Today we are going to show you 2 easy methods to transform tomato sauce into tomato juice. Tomato juice is a refreshing and nutritious drink that can be enjoyed on its own or used as an ingredient in various recipes. But what if you don't have any tomato juice on hand and all you have is tomato sauce? Don't worry, we've got you covered with these 2 simple methods. Method 1. Using strainer. The first method involves separating the liquid from tomato sauce. Begin by covering a large strainer with 2 layers of cheesecloth. Place the strainer in a mixing bowl that has a spout. Next, pour the tomato sauce evenly over the cheesecloth. Use a spatula to push the sauce through the strainer in a circular motion. After the liquid has been drained, gather the edges of the cheesecloth to form a pouch filled with leftover tomato paste. Squeeze the pouch over the strainer to collect any remaining liquid. Toss or store the paste in a sealed container in the refrigerator for later use. Serve the strained tomato juice immediately or pour it into a carafe for later use in a recipe. Method 2. The second method involves adding water to the tomato sauce to make a pourable juice. Add equal amounts of purified water and tomato sauce to a blender. For a cup of tomato juice, add half a cup of tomato sauce and half a cup of purified water. Blend the mixture for 5-second pulses until you get the desired consistency. Test the texture with a long spoon. Pour the tomato sauce into a recipe or drink it on its own over ice. Remember to add a pinch of salt, fresh herbs, or hot sauce to balance the sweetness of the tomatoes. And that's it for today's video. We hope you found these 2 methods helpful and easy to follow. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Cookful for more delicious drink ideas and recipes. Thanks for watching!